Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to log out of your Uber account. Now for example, right, your phone is dead, the battery is gone, and you want to book an Uber using another person's phone, maybe your friend, maybe your brother or sister, maybe your girlfriend, and you want to book with your own account. All you need to do is sign into that Uber account or Uber apps account, and once you've done booking your trip, for example, or Uber Eats, whatever it is that you're going to book, uh, you're going to be wanting to tap on the account option, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. So if you look to your bottom screen, you're going to see home, services, activity, and account. You want to tap on account like so. Once you are here, you want to scroll down a bit. If you don't see it immediately, it says settings, right? So tap on settings like so. So under settings, you want to scroll down to the very bottom. Scroll down to the very bottom. And on the very bottom with red text, it says sign out. All we need to do is tap on sign out like so. It's going to have a slide up asking you, do you want to sign out? Stay signed in to book your next trip faster. Just tap on confirm sign out like so. There you go. And now you are signed out of your Uber app. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.